Hey guys, hope you're well. Yeah, so today we're going to be looking at Boolean logic and we're going to use algebraic identities for that. Okay, cool. So on the side note, guys, I would really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe. Okay, cool. Right, so from Sympy, import my star. So obviously that's the package that I need to use. And then this allows us also to print this neat results, my symbols, so define the symbols that we're going to use. And then these are the 9 algebraic identities. Okay, cool. So F is that. So then F1 equals expand F. So my F1. Okay, so then testing for Boolean logic. So F dot expand. Sorry. So F dot equals F1, which is true. Okay. And we can also do this way. So simplify. So F minus F1, you're going to get 0 because then everything cancels out. So we get 0. So then we know that it's actually true. Okay. Okay, so cracking on. So my G is that. And then G1 equals expand G. So G1, there we are. Then H is that. And then H1 equals expand H. Then my H1 is that. Then H dot equals H1, which is true. Okay, and then so plotting along. So X, Y, Z. So X is that. Then X1 equals expand X. And then my X1. And then X dot equals X1. True. Okay. Then Y is that. And then Y equals Y1 equals expand Y. And then that's my Y1. There we are. And then testing for equality. So Y dot equals Y1, which is true again. And then Z is that. And then Z1 equals expand Z. So Z1, which is cool. Then Z dot equals Z1, which is true again. All right. Then the next one, M. That's that. And then M1 equals expand M. And then we proceed again. So M dot equals M1, which is true. And then N is that again. Then N1 equals expand N, right? And then N dot equals N1, which is true. Okay. And then P is that. And then P1 equals expand P. And then P dot equals P1, which is true. Okay. And yeah, you can also do it this way just to get a 0 as well. So simplify. So P minus P1. Okay, or even that simplify minus expand P. Okay, cool. So yeah, so hopefully this was helpful, guys. It's just to show you how algebraic identities work. Okay, so yeah, so if you like what you see again, please do subscribe, and thanks guys for watching, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.